Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as we know that we are we are revising the syllabus of your revision test 1, in which we have revised almost all the chapters, and now we are discussing letter writing. Okay, to civic authorities, which will be coming in your revision test 1, which is going to be conducted tomorrow on 18th October 2020. Okay dear students, so let us practice more letters of such type of this type. Okay, now I'm going to write the question on the board. Please write down this question. Write a letter write a letter to the chairman of municipal corporation municipal corporation of your city expressing your grievances expressing your grievances pertaining to stray dogs and cattle pertaining to stray dogs and cattle. You are Mohit Mohini. You are Mohit Mohini. Do not exceed 150 words. Do not exceed, exceed, C also will be there, na? Yes. Exceed 150 words. Okay, dear students. Write a letter to the chairman of municipal corporation of your city expressing your grievances pertaining to stray dogs and cattle. You are Mohit Mohini. Do not exceed 150 words. This is the letter which we have to write municipal corporation. So let us begin. You can pause the video and write down the question, or you can also take the screenshot. Now I'm going to rub it. I'm going to write answer. I'm going to just write this letter. Okay. Let us begin. So dear students, as you all know, first of all we have to write our own address. So what is the address given here? Address not given here, but in most of the questions you will find the address. In board exam also, the question which will be given in your board question paper, you will find the address. So your address not given, so let us assume any address and write down ABC colony Varanasi, sorry, okay. First of all your address, then leave a blank line and then date. That is 17 October 2020. Then whom you are writing this letter? The chairman, Municipal Corporation, Sonipat. Okay. The address not given, so you can write here the chairman, C should be capital, the chairman, Municipal Corporation. So it is in Varanasi, so you should write here Varanasi. Okay dear students, so you have written the address. Now subject, what is the subject here? So it is the terror of stray dogs and cattle. The question is about stray dogs and cattle. Terror of stray dogs and cattle. Okay, terror of stray dogs and cattle. Let me show you. I think the word cattle here, the word cattle, let me write here so that you can see it. Okay, this is the subject. Okay dear students, once again, first of all your address, then leave a blank line, date, leave a blank line, the authority whom you are writing, then again leave a blank line, then subject. Now salutation sir and body of the letter. Okay, so let us begin. So I hope you have written this much, or you can also take the screenshot. I am going to rub it. Okay, now sir, I would like to draw your kind attention. I would like to draw your kind attention towards the subject mentioned above. This is your first paragraph. I would like to draw your kind attention towards the subject mentioned above. Okay. Now next, explain your problem. What the problem there are innumerable dogs and stray cattle in my society. There are innumerable, it should be here beta, stray dogs and stray cattles in my society. Okay. So what problem you are facing? Because of them. So the children, let me repeat then right now. This paragraph will be continuing. Okay. The children do not come out of their homes as they scared of dogs. The children, they do not come out, the children do not come out of their homes as they scared of dogs. What more problem they are creating? So, dogs bark and bite the children as well as the passers-by. They bark and bite the children as well as the passers-by. And there are many people. There are many people who have become the victim of dogs during night. Okay, so what you have written there, students? You have written, the children do not come out of their homes as they scared of dogs. Dogs bark and bite the children. It should be the children. children. Sorry. Children as well as the passers-by. There are many people who have become the victim of dogs during night. We can also write here dogs biting during night. Okay, you can take the screenshot, or you can also pause the video and write down. Now I'm going to rub it. They also pass urine and stool in front of the gates of residence. Okay, so this problem you have written about stray dogs. Now stray cattle or are there, so write what types of problem they are creating. We are facing a lot of problem due to stray cattle too. Sometimes they start fighting and running in the let me rub it then write, as you cannot see it. Okay, so they also pass urine and stool in front of the gates of residence. We are facing a lot of problems due to stray cattle too. TOO. Due to stray cattle too. Sometimes they start fighting. But it should be fighting here. They start fighting and running in the street. in the street which causes a great concern for children, for young children playing in the street. In the same paragraph, they also spoil the plants. Okay, they injured two children were injured by them 2 days ago. And they are still in hospital. Okay, dear student, so you have written they start fighting and running in the streets, which causes a great concern for young children playing in the street. They also spoil the plants. 2 children were injured by them 2 days ago and they are still in hospital. Okay, so you have mentioned all the problems which you are facing because of stray dogs and stray animals. Now you have to request the authority to take action. Okay. I now change the paragraph, last paragraph, closing lines. I request you to look into this matter. I request you to look into this matter and take necessary steps to solve this problem as soon as possible. I request you to look into this matter and take necessary steps to solve this problem as soon as possible. Now leave a line. yours faithfully, whatever the name given in the question. What is the name given in the question? Name is not given. Mohan, Mohit, Mohini. So boys will be writing Mohit and girls will be writing Mohini. Okay, dear students, it's all about it. So this way, dear students, you will have to write a letter to civic authorities in 3 paragraphs. Okay, so your letter should be in 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph you will have to give the introduction. In the second one you will have to explain your problem, explain your issue which you are facing, then how can it will solved. If you are able to give suggestion, give some suggestion and request to the authority concerned to look into the matter. Okay, so I hope now you are not going to mistakes regarding writing a letter to civic authorities. So I am going to give you a question for practice which you must practice. Question for practice. The school going students do not follow traffic rules. Do not follow traffic rules. You are worried about the students who violate the rules. Who violate the rules. Write a letter to the superintendent. A letter to the superintendent of police, expressing your concerns your concerns about the violation of rules, about the violation of rules in not more than 150 words. In not more than 150 words. Okay, dear students, you are Raj Rajni. You are Raj Rajni. Okay, so let me show you. 1 second, beta. Sorry. Okay. Let me read it out. The school going students do not follow traffic rules. You are worried about the students who violate the rules. Write a letter to the superintendent of police expressing your concerns about the violations of rules in not more than 150 words. You are Raj Rajni. If you cannot see the last line, let me write here. It is 150 words. Take the screenshot. I am going to write the last line here. The last line, which you cannot see on your screen, it is 150 words. Okay, you are Raj Rajni. Okay, so this is for your practice. So whatever the questions are given for practice, you must practice. So thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow.